Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy's Sharon channel. Yes, as you can see, we're just trying our first candle making at home. So these are my tools, my things to use. We have the spatula and we have my container with the soy wax in it, and it's coming to a boil so that it can be melted. Okay, so as soon as it's melted, we will mix it with the fragrance oil or essential oil. Yes, these are my set of essential oils, and we have different kinds of fragrance. We have rose, lavender, patchouli, and all. And yes, these are the tools that you need, the wicks. Yep. We have the soy wax, which I use a little bit. And we have the tins where we're gonna pour our melted items, and this is the thermometer. And by the way, I'm just checking my thermometer, and it's important that you will measure the temperature of your liquid because you have the pouring time. Okay, so right, it's not working. Okay, and yes, now we're going to mix the fragrance oil to the liquid, to the wax, and then pour. Yes, let's try it in. There is my wick and the stabilizer to make sure that the wick will be in center and that it will not be moving, like to stabilize it, stabilize the wick. There you go. Okay, this is the item, and this is the finished product after 20 minutes. And there you go. Congratulations to me. This is the total finished product after an hour, right? And you can see it's fine and smooth and so milky white, and it's the good thing about the soy wax. I think I did it. Well, congratulations to me. Till next, thank you for watching.